Today we talk about hobbies. How do you ask somebody what their hobbies are and how do you answer that question? So, in formal German, you would say, was sind Ihre Hobbys? Was sind Ihre Hobbys? And then when you want to talk to your friends, you would speak in informal German and that would be, was sind deine Hobbys? Was sind deine Hobbys? And then, how do we answer the question? So, for example, your hobbies are reading and listening to music. That would be, meine Hobbys sind Lesen und Musik hören. Meine Hobbys sind Lesen und Musik hören.